Alright guys, it's Malcolm with Appliance Repair again. I'm here with the Samsung gas dryer. The complaint was that whenever the dryer turns on, it starts immediately. So I did a little bit of poking around and I found out that this start button kept getting stuck in. So whenever the customer would start the unit, the start button, it automatically turns on and then it goes off. So fix was to unjam this button, but we're going to go ahead and replace this entire panel. So this is a front load Samsung, manufactured in 2017. There goes the model there, and with just a little push of a button we got it unstuck, and now whenever it turns on, it's normal and it starts like normal. But we're gonna go ahead and replace the board. Thanks guys for tuning in. See you later.